Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by confirming power and connection. This removes the most common causes. First, make sure both AirPods and the case have a reasonable charge, about 20% or more, because low power can mute one bud. Next, clean the metal contacts and speaker mesh gently with a dry, lint-free cloth and a soft brush to remove debris that blocks sound. Once done, go to your phone's Bluetooth settings, forget the AirPods, and repair them so the system refreshes the connection and settings. Now you move to deeper diagnostics to isolate hardware versus software. First, test the AirPods with a second device. If the issue follows the AirPod, it's likely hardware. Then, inspect your phone's audio settings, enable mono audio and check the left-right balance. Sometimes the slider shifts off-center. If settings don't fix it, perform a full AirPods reset by placing them in the case, closing the lid, opening it again, and holding the setup button until a white flash appears to restore Finish by updating firmware and checking for physical faults. This often clears obscure bugs. Keep the case open while near your paired device to allow automatic firmware updates, which can restore audio routing. Visually inspect the problematic AirPod for dents, corrosion, or a clogged mesh. Physical damage requires replacement. If you still hear nothing, try swapping with a known good AirPod to confirm. If that fails, contact Apple support or schedule service. One key tip: always test with multiple devices before concluding the AirPod is dead.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.